kwentuhan, walang maiiwanan, lahat masasamahan. Dito
Yeah,
makinig, dito
good afternoon.
maliliman.
Good afternoon. We're late. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It's my fault. The only thing there is, umabot kami ng 30 minutes and the remaining 30 minutes. But actually, we came from Quezon City. My God, coming here is quite difficult. I'm just telling you. I gave a lead time of 45 minutes. Ito, nangyari pa rin. Late pa rin. I'm with Dominic, Brad Dominic. And the first thing is I have to thank Jacqueline Aquino, Sis Jacqueline Aquino, based in Hong Kong. And of course, Jojo Kiawit, as well as Ronnie Akal. Brad, I know you called up, and I don't know how to explain it. Talagang I was the one driving it in my car. And anyway, I'm here fulfilling what I promised you. Inihingal pa nga ako anyway. Yeah. First thing is this. I like to discuss really. Teka na, bago muna siguro yun. I have to apologize to sa volunteers against women and children. Dapat sila dapat nang ngayon eh. The only thing there is I was given a chance, sabi ko nga kasi, it was only last night that I was able to clarify things that I was asked to talk about the SRB plans. And, I'm sorry to the group sa volunteers against, so I'm really sorry. Pero nga, nandito ako. We got still, I think, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes, still a lot of time.
Yeah, a lot of time. But the thing is, there are lots of things. Meron tayong, tatlong segment eh.
Yes.
One, the first thing is this. We will not stop. We will just be continuing discussing it. One is, I have to thank also si Eunice. Eunice is accompanied us because to assist us also. Eunice Torio.
Torio, yes.
Yeah, Torio.
Aling Otik.
Yeah. Si Aling Otik kung tawagin namin. Anyway, eto kasi, no? I was asked by the brothers and sisters, by our brothers, SRB,
Yes.
to discuss the upcoming September 2020.
49th.
Pero yung 49th anniversary. This was the result. I mean, this is the result of what happened in Bicol. Dalawa kasi yan. We know for a fact that merong hindi nagkakaintindihan, two organizations. One organization, one name, but different groups. One group is the SRB Philippines Incorporated, headed by Nonoan Lasarte, President Lasarte, also my worshipful. And of course, si Aye,
Yeah, the National President.
National President of National Council,
yes.
SRB. We were invited by them, napasama nga ako doon sa Bicol, to merge, not necessarily merge, but to unify as one organization, SRB one organization. And we were able to handle it. We were able to tackle it. And we would like to thank people from the Bicol, brothers and sisters in Bicol, for accommodating us, as well as entertaining our ideas to unify the two factions. Ngayon nga, and the result is this, September 20 na, to this coming, matagal pa, 1 month. Pero 1 month,
Yeah,
the thing there
madali
is,
na ho yun.
madali na rin yun because maraming trabaho sila. If I have to mention the venue is in Quezon City Sports.
Quezon City Sports Center.
No, yeah. And then what was discussed is that yung price, who will be the speakers, ano ba, may mga VIP ba, what? So the price of the ticket, affordable ba? At marami nag-question nung sinabing actually I don't know if will I be permitted by Norman to mention the amount. The amount kasi dalawa yan eh. Sa mga ganyan kasi, merong tinatawag na Chinese cuisine and Filipino cuisine. I think the idea now is, I think it was Norman's idea
Yes.
to get para mas marami rin pagkain, yung Chinese cuisine. Katong katabi ko Chinese to eh. Kaya napili nila yung Chinese. Sabi ko maganda yan. But the thing there, can the brothers and sisters afford it? Medyo sabi na, kasi the amount that was discussed was 1,000 per ticket, di ba?
Yes.
Pero mabait yata yung presidente ng SRB Philippines. Sinabi niya 500 lang daw. Aba, sabi ng mga brad, kayang-kaya yan. I think what was mentioned is that just to unify the two factions na nag-okay na sila, lahat ngayon may ayos na. So, yan, matutuloy sa September 20.
Yes.
But the date really of the founding day of the SRB is 22.
22 years.
Pero ginawa lang 20 para mayroong adjustment for the 22. Baka may individual anniversary. But before anything else, may I say late nga late na naman din yung kay Benhar, nag-birthday si Secretary Benhar, Brad Benhar, nung 3 days ago. Ginawa niya sa Wakwak. Okay naman, maraming mga bisita dumating. Of course, meron pang isa sino yung isang Brad na birthday? Of course, Rico Chu. Rico Chu is a police officer, retired police officer. And then meron pa isa na may birthday.
Well, these are all upcoming.
Upcoming pa yan. Okay. Sino pa bang iba that we have to greet? Si Benhar. Meron pa isa But before these things, I like to mention talagang tulong ni paulit-ulit ko sasabihin to, Jackie, dahil kagabi, nag-text ako sa'yo kanina umaga to thank you that you were given a chance to have this day to explain the anniversary, the forthcoming anniversary. And then, of course, what else? Dominic, baka meron kang gustong i-mention.
Well, so far, regarding the anniversary, if they want to avail of the tickets or for reservation, they can get in touch with Sis Joy Gonzalez or kay Brad President, NC President Manzanero.
Okay, pagka ganun, maganda yan. They can just go direct to, sino yun? Si Joy.
Yeah.
Joy Gonzalez, Sis Joy Gonzalez yun.
Yes.
India, stricto ata yun. Sabi niya, stricto daw yung maningil.
Yeah.
Pero,
Stricto.
well, baka makaroon ng shortage naman. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Niliwanag ko lang sa inyo yan dahil kayo naman may hawak niyan. Hindi naman ako. I will just be invited. Being the chairman. Actually, I'm the chairman of the SRB Philippines Incorporated. And the president is Norman Dasarte. So, all these things naiayos na for the benefit of the organization.
Yes.
And definitely, having said that, sana maiayos naman.
Yeah.
Because first thing, it's I've been saying this marami tayong Brad. Dami nito. Nationwide nga, dami. And if other organization can put up a survey group, we can do the same. I mentioned that during our meeting, that we can tap brothers and sisters in the different regions, provinces, even municipalities. Dahil kayang-kaya namin malaman kung sino malakas na kandidato. Pinag-uusapan ngayon kung sinong malakas mga kandidato. Baka namang ang arangkada, matap nyo kami, we can produce results. Of course, because of the DWBL.
Yes.
Ano tong DWBL mabilis to. Madali naming i-monitor activities ng mga kumakandidato. But the thing there is, sabi nga nila, na-mention nga si Ben Har.
I think yun nandito, Mr. Nograles. Ay,
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Nolasco.
Yeah, by the way. Yung classmate ko nga pala nung high school. Last night, I was not, Brad, pare, Boy Nolasco. Sa Quezon City Sports din ginawa kagabi.
Yeah.
Si Boy Nolasco, prime mover yan nung aming 69, batch 69 ng San Sebastian High School. Kagabi, marami sila. Hindi ko nakasipot because I was preparing so many things last night to present it today, yung gusto namin discuss ni Dominic sa SRB. Ito nga to. But still, may I say this, happy birthday, Boy Nolasco. And of course, without you, yung pagiging leader mo ng batch natin, thank you very much. At ikaw masyadong, para kasi yung brad namin si Norman din At marunong tumanaw na magiging kaibigan at tumutulong sa mga classmates, mga kaibigan niya. Kasi naman ma-mention ko lang si Boy Nolasco. May-ari yan ng maritime school sa Las Piñas ata. I think Las Piñas. Sumasakit niya ulo parati niyan Sabi ko nga sa kanya, Boy, sumasakit ang ulo mo, kakabilang ng pera mo. Kaya dahan-dahan ka magbilang para hindi ka sumakit ang ulo. Joke. Okay. And then, of course, what else? Ano pa ba? Tungkol sa SRB. Let's go back to SRB dahil yun ang gusto natin matapos ngayon. Dahil itong SRB kasi sa 22, because I think the president of Alumni Association in New Zealand, yung babae, Joan?
Sis Joan McKay.
Sis Joan McKay. Will be giving 10 tickets ata. Bibili siya 10 tickets and what she intends to do is distribute that to the Alumni Association kung sino gusto na padala. Another thing is yung na-meet natin.
Si Brad Ramil.
Si Ramil.
More, yes.
From New York.
New
Jersey. New Jersey siya. 10 din, 10,000 ang binibigay niya.
Sa East Coast,
Sa East Coast, Marami tayong Brad they really would like to make this occasion a successful one para makita ng lahat na nagkakaisa ang SRB.
We hope that everybody participated. We're just hoping. We're just hoping that everybody will participate in this event, upcoming event, para maging masaya naman tayo lahat.
Actually, dati na tayong masaya, pero problema natin kulang ng tulong Tumulong naman kayo dyan, mga brads. Tumulong kayo na i-inform lahat ng alumni associations. Not only the alumni associations, but also the brothers, yung mga nasa eskwela, tsaka yung mga nasa community chapters. Yan I think will be the best. Marami tayong gagawin. Meron daw atang awards that will be given.
A lot,
Mga recognition awards. Ano pang...
Well, we just hope that everybody... We just hope that everybody will cooperate. Especially pagdating sa mga payment, mga tickets, mga collections, no? So, yun lang. Kailangan talaga natin ng yung pagkakaisa ng organization. Kasi I've been saying this, the organization is a potent force. We can support the leadership of the current president, Bongbong Marcos, and of course we can also not necessarily kasi I mentioned last when I was here that mag-start sana ako
not necessarily criticize. Ang akin kasi, kung ano tama, yung gawin natin. Kung mali, sasabihin natin. Kung tama naman, bubuhatin natin yung bangko niya. Maraming ganyan eh. Kaya lang, hindi ko natupad yun. Matutupad ngayon yun because we're more concentrated on discussing SRB because we would like to prove to every other organizations that we can be considered as number one kasi ang SRB nationwide, ang dami namin kahit sa kasulok-sulukan.
Global.
And in fact, not only nationwide, it's even
We're already
You-
global.
as Dominic mentioned, global. Si Jill nga pala, she's the president. I think Jill is the president of the Apo SRB Global.
Global, yes.
Oh, yeah. Yun, isa pa yun na hindi natin na may mention. Na they can even attend it.
Yeah, we can also
Baka naman pwedeng imbitahan sila
then padala
to be
sila
part
ng
of it.
ticket.
Yeah. Anything more? Para
Well, so far, itong third segment na to kasi those are all mga shoutouts mga brothers na
Yeah.
mga listeners.
I think i-open ko yung pareho para kaming dalawa ni Dominic can mention, can inform or greeting. We can even greet the brothers who will be celebrating their birthday this month or
Yeah, this month. Yeah.
Marami ka ata sinulat ng mga pangalan
Actually,
dyan.
for this coming week, then you have si Sis Ruth Banzuela, no? Ruth Makabuhay, then si Jar De Leon, Brad Jar De Leon, and Brad RJ Saura.
They're from what?
Actually, mga SRB.
Sorry, pero anong chapter sila?
Well, kalat kasi chapters
Kalat
nila
na,
Yeah. No?
Oo, maganda yan. Minimension kasi ni Dominic dito na this will not be only for July.
Yes.
But this coming August daw ata, lahat ng mga brads, isubmit nyo na yung mga pangalan nyo.
Yeah.
So we can greet you.
Yes.
We will greet you. A happy birthday. Huwag lang kami mag-greet. Magpadala naman kayo. Hindi, biro lang yan. Nasasabi ko lang yan dahil matagal na tayo nagbibiro, mga brads. Hindi naman tayo masyadong nakikita-kita. Yung mga iba kasi, hindi kami Mindanao. Though they invited us in Davao to be present there. Because I think there's an occasion there that we're being invited this coming August. And of course, sa Cebu.
Yes.
Yung mga brads natin sa Cebu,
Sila Brad Marlon.
marami silang gagawing rata. Pero ang suggestion nata ni President Norman Dasarte is that wag muna. Tapusin na muna natin to September 22.
Yes.
We have to organize everything.
One at a time.
We have to organize everything. So if we could possibly tackle and be successful in this plan, definitely next year it will be 50th.
Yeah.
So, pero kasi I'm sorry but medyo ibang style ko kasi. Tong year na to in preparation for election for next year. And then I have lots of friends who are running.
Yes.
Katulad, may kaibigan kasi yung babae yung naging siya ata in charge ng Mrs. Universe.
Si Charo.
Charo,
Si
no?
Miss Charo Kalaloy.
Kalalo ba yun? Kalaloy.
Yeah.
Yung kandidato daw siya ata sa
UGB.
UGB.
Yeah.
Marami. Hindi siya kandidato ng EGK.
No, hindi naman.
Kala ko yung kasi
UGB party list.
Party list siya. Marami
actually,
kasi.
she's the owner of Simon Place Supreme.
Simon Place.
Yeah, yung bar, resto bar sa may
ganun?
Tomas Morato.
Ganun na.
Oo.
Nakapunta na ba ako doon?
I think so.
Hindi
Pero
pa
it's a
ata.
good place naman.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. Oo. Pero ang sa akin kasi, gusto kong puntahan Yung sa brad natin, kay Junette
yeah.
Galvez, yung Taste of LA.
Taste of LA sa may Roses.
Sa may Roses. Maganda rin, maganda rin si, Tsaka yun, malakas ngayon yun.
Mhm.
Nung araw kasi doon may standby si SP,
Yeah.
Senate President. Oy, binubuking ko si Senate President. Pero makakarating tayo dyan, Senate President. Nag-meet na tayo dahil because of Junette Galvez. Siya yung mimiyari nung Taste of LA.
I think yun, grupo ni Charo, yung Mrs. Universe, doon din hinaheld ang mga meetings
Yan
sa
ganun ba?
Taste of
Taste of
LA.
LA.
Yeah.
Maganda rin sa Taste of LA. Yung sinasabi ng Rockefeller.
And also the pizza.
Yeah, the pizza is nice.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung Calios.
Maraming mukhang alam na alam mo. Mukhang
Been there before.
yeah. Pero maraming places talaga eh. Meron pang places si Jojo Kiawit nga meron siya sarili sa may Antipolo eh. Maganda rin yung place ron, overlooking Metro Manila.
Teresa. Sa may Teresa.
Hindi ko, hindi pa ako nakakala. I mean, the group, a girl, she mentioned that to me that I have to visit that malaking place eh. At alam mo na. Anyway, what else are we supposed to discuss? Sabi ko sa'yo, I have to prepare ourselves because ang bilis ng oras. Ang bilis ng oras.
Kami sa traffic.
Naipit nga kami sa traffic. Gusto ko talagang alam mo nyo, hindi naman ako pero coming here for 45 minutes, my God, really. At marami akong gustong, hindi naman sagasaan, pero gusto ko namang, not necessarily criticizing them, because what is important for them to do something about their area, respective area.
Parang pupunahin lang.
Talagang pupunahin ko. I'll be straightforward by saying, medyo, next siguro pagpuntahin ko rito, medyo marami na ako sasabihin sa mga nandun sa mga nakapwesto sa gobyerno na walang ginawa kundi matulog. Sabihin ko, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung anong pagkakamali nyo. Hindi ko naman, I'm not perfect, but I'm saying, you have to do something about your place, your respective jurisdiction. Dahil kailangan pag hindi natin gagawin yan, sa tulong ng DWBL, palagay ko, makakarating sa inyo, hindi lang dito sa Metro Manila, but because ang SRB will be giving us information already. In fact, they've created a group yung grupo yung shoot ni Aling Otik, yung sinasabi niyang media, verifier. We will verify everything.
News verifier, yes.
Pag alam namin tama na kami, saka namin atakin. Yan nga nakita ko nga sa Congress Ewan ko ito na ba yung segment na dapat natin
supposedly dapat.
Meron akong dapat segment na sasabihin na yung makita mismo sa Congress ngayon. Halos may magsuntukan Oo, may magsusuntukan sana
Oo.
Tumayo nga sa committee chairman yung niya, si Fernandez. Anyway, sabi ko nga, hindi maganda ito. Nakikita pa sa TV, hindi tama one thing is this, which I intend to mention, is GMRC. Good manners and right conduct. Talagang nung ko pag gustong sabihin to sa radyo saka sa TV, this is the most important thing in our life. In good manners and right conduct. Include natin humility. Marami. Kaya dapat nagkamali late kami. I'm sorry, but ang dami kong gusto sabihin. In fact, may nasabi ko nga kay Ronnie Akal yung ituwid natin dahil meron na tayong coat of arms. Yung coat of arms natin, sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, may gumawa daw ata ng bagong coat of arms. Hindi ko ata, I have to correct that Ang tamang coat of arms, which is now registered dun sa, anyway, I'll explain everything next meeting. Next radio program natin next week siguro. Siguro makikihati na rin muna ako at sabihin ko sa kanila na ito talagang story nangyayari ngayon. Pero the thing there is, successful tayo ngayon because nagkakaisa na yung dalawang faksyon.
Yes.
In fact, I could say yung grupo ni sinasabi nilang Indian Pana, ano pangalan? Si-
kay Manisipin.
Oh, yung certain, yun, yung sinabi mo. Yun, isa pa yun, medyo itutuwid data nila, ano yun. At yung mga members niya, you can come and join us. Walang problema yan. Except, yun nga, si Indian. Yung Indian pala, hindi pala SRB ata yun. Sabi nila, no? Diba? Anyway, this will be clarified after this. Yeah, kailangan na. Okay, so if I have to introduce myself again, I'm Kari Lasso, the chairman of the SRB Philippines Incorporated and the national advisor. So, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
Arangkada kapatiran, banayad ang usapan, busilak ang isipan sa ating mga kwentuhan. Walang maiiwanan, lahat masasamahan. Dito makinig, bida ang malilibang. Sarapang arangkada para dito sa lahat. Kasiyahan na palaging may angat. Araw-araw arangkada, kada may bisita. Makatanda na ang puhunan sa bawat tanong na linya. Kada araw ay kakayod at malabo ng mapagod. Di salang minimiti yung makapana ang tugatog. Di na pwedeng ihinto ang mga oras na kasaliw. Ito kaunyaran ng isipang nag-aliw. Kayo ang aming bilyo, kapatirang may tindig. Istasyon na pangdiin, kaduming na makisig. Tanggal ang negatibo sa kanyang bukang bibig. Positibo ang lahat ng inyong maririnig. Bawat bukas may saya, tagumpay ang madadala. Sa tamang oras may liwanag na kanyang matataya. Lagi sulit ang segundo na iyong ilalaan. Basta imbitado ka, matik na kahanda yan.